The internet is full of recipes of high protein cookies, but do you know not all proteins are complete proteins? Complete proteins are the proteins which when you eat are capable of making your hair, nails, muscles and other protein structures. Incomplete proteins on the other hand, if you eat, they will satisfy your hunger, but they cannot make any protein structures like hairs, nails or muscles. So let's see how we tweak this recipe to make the incomplete protein of millets into a complete protein. So this cookie recipe is not only a complete protein cookie recipe, also it is low carb. I have shared the links on where to buy all the ingredients that I have used in my millet cookies in the description box below. So do view it. And I have shaped my cookies into Pooh Bear cookies. You can shape them in any shape that you like.
I'm using millets to make my cookies, and these millets that I'm using are called ragi. There are many kinds of millets. Along with the millets, I am adding some besan. Besan is gram flour. And although you must have heard that millets are rich in protein, but the problem is millets lack an essential amino acid called lysine and besan lacks an essential amino acid called methionine. So to make it a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, I am adding this egg. Animal source proteins are usually complete proteins with all amino acids. And along with that, we're adding some baking powder, some salt, some stevia to sweeten it, and some vanilla essence for flavoring. And to further complete the essential amino acid profile, we are adding some butter and some milk. You can also add water if you want instead of milk. But I think milk gives it a much better flavor. Anyway, knead the dough well till it becomes homogenized, and once you press it with your finger, there is an indentation. This is the right consistency of this dough. Next, flatten the dough and then shape out your cookies. You can make them round or you can cut out cookies like I am doing with the Pooh Bear cutter. Out of this whole batter, I managed to cut out 15 cookies. You can even freeze this or put this dough in the freezer once you have made it, and then whenever your husband or your kids want the cookies or some guests come, you can just take it out of the freezer and instantly you can make these delicious cookies. And millets are found in very many varieties. The one I am using is called ragi, and each of these varieties of millets has its own health benefits. Most of the work done on millets is done by Dr. Khader Wali. He is an Indian, also known as master of millets over there, and he has devised many diet plans to treat diabetes and high blood pressure, all with different types of millets. Anyway, once you have cut out your cookies, put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Just lift and see if the bottom is cooked. Just take them out. And you can see along with these cookies, I have put my high protein bread also in the oven. And to see the recipe of this high protein bread along with many other healthy tasty recipes, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it. Now our cookies are ready as such, but if you want to add some chocolate, I melted some cocoa butter. I poured it directly into my piping bag, and then I added my raw organic cacao powder, and then I mixed it up in the piping bag. And when it cooled down, I just cut the tip and I made these noses and eyes of my Pooh Bear. The point is, millet some kids might eat and some might not, but chocolate everyone eats. And for this reason, you will find a lot of healthy, tasty chocolate recipes on our channel also. Do subscribe to view them. Anyway, make these cookies and let me know in the comment section below how they turned out for you. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.